Welcome back, America, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Tuesday, June the 29th, 2020. It's time for us to get on with the show here. Before we get started with the vaccine rollout report, let's be sure to click on that share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today. You can also click on that link and click on the share button, click on the link, and copy and paste the link to this video and your on the emails and text messages. By all means, share the good news of the continuing decline in cases and deaths for COVID-19 in America. That's the good news we need to get out. Okay, and that's what I'm here today. Is to cut through all the political hype and the liberal media, and just give you the basic numbers you need to understand the COVID-19 situations in America today. So let's go. Let's already go to our first of all our COVID-19 vaccine rollout report for the state of America, for the U.S. We need to have roughly 163 to 165. One source I read says 50% full vaccination rate before you start seeing the benefit. Well, if that holds true, then we need approximately full vaccination for 163 million people. Okay? 160 to 165 million people to begin seeing the benefits. Let's just take a look at exactly what's going on. What this tells us up here is that over 300 million doses, over maybe 3,500,000 people have been vaccinated in the U.S. so far. Of those, again, if this is 100,000, this is 15,000. So what is this? 1,250,000. So this would be 150,250,000 up here have received one dose. So that's close. So the single dose rate is close to being where we need to be. And interesting enough, that this is correct. This is a full vaccination rate. It's very close to where we need to be. What's interesting is you see a decline, a clear decline in cases or in vaccination rates, which is really interesting. Okay, again, COVID-19 doses administered with a 7-day smooth moving average, 7-day smooth. The pattern is clearly down here. Interesting, huh? Vaccinations per 100 people. Okay, more information. Vaccination per hundreds. And again, you can see the declining number of vaccine, which is sort of interesting, huh? Okay, well, America, that does conclude the report for today. Oh, no, it doesn't. Sorry about that. Let's come back over here now. Let's do our daily report, okay? Okay, America, let's go back and let's look at the daily numbers now. The daily, weekly, and the monthly COVID-19 cases and deaths now, all right? Just before I continue here, again, I'll give that one last favor to ask that you click on that share button, share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today. Okay, currently U.S. has 33.6 million cases, 604,000 deaths. And here's the good news. You can see the declining pattern in cases. On 6/28, we reported 15,083 cases, it looks like. For the 7-day period ending 6/21, we were averaging 11,750 cases per day. What about deaths? Well, you can see on 6/28, we had 150 deaths. On 6/25, we had 498 deaths. But for the 7-day period ending 6/20, we were averaging 288 deaths. Look at this nice declining pattern in cases again, also in the U.S. and in deaths. Look, it looks like June's going to be the lowest number of monthly cases, since all the way back over here in April. May, June, July, April, May. Yeah, the lowest number of monthly cases since April of 2020. The lowest number of deaths by far since April 20 of 20. What we got here, this is the number of cases per 100,000 people. So currently we're averaging under 12, say about 8 to 10 people, 8 to 10 people of 100,000 have COVID-19 now. But over here, less than a fourth of a person per 100,000 has COVID-19 now. And you can see both these numbers are continuing to decline. All right. So that's all. This is all good news today on the COVID-19 front. But again, before I let you go, don't forget to click that share button and share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. Thanks so much, America. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.